Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jatin Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities and Currencies. So for this week we are looking at some volatile sessions up ahead with the prices reacting very choppily since last few times. Especially the gold and bullions and the base metals have been performing quite on the volatile sessions. Respectively, the levels will be important. And that is what will matter as the prices might react on both the sides, on the buying side and the selling side as well. So the levels which will be important for this week's trading are at the levels of 45,800 on the gold prices on the supportive side, and on the higher side 46,500. So if and all the prices do fall below 45,800, we are expecting the prices to shoot down towards 45,200 to 45,400. And on the higher side, if and all prices do breach 46,500, then 47,000 will be the next hurdle. On the silver front, 61,200 and 60,000 will be the range. This 1200 point range is suitable for trading as of now. I just said break will provide next leg of rally in silver prices as well. The commodities which will be in focus again for this week are the energy spec. The trending commodities right now are the energy spec, both crude and natural gas. Crude oil prices till the time they're holding 53.50, one should be looking this commodity as a buy on dip strategy for the higher levels target of around 5600 to 5700 in this week. Natural gas prices are again positive till the time they are holding 370, and on the higher end 400 410 looks very much on the cards again. Till the time the OPEC and non-OPEC tussle keeps going, and especially the OPEC plus have been recommending that there won't be any strong production cuts. They are not hinting at any production cuts as well, production hikes as well. We are expecting the production to remain stable, but the demand side scenario is are changing as the global vaccination, you know, uh, picks up rapidly and more people are getting vaccinated. So more and more traveling and more economies will open up, on the higher percentage side for the tourism, for healthcare, and for business purposes. So this will definitely increase the demand for crude oil prices as the aviation industry also opens up strongly. So now we are looking at the energy spec to remain positive, which is a very trending based commodity right now. Also the Brent prices have breached the $78 mark, and now we should be expecting the Brent crude oil to touch the levels of 80 soon, and thereafter 85 will not be very far as the prices do not have any resistance beyond 80 to 85. That there will be a very strong rally beyond 80 to 85 levels, as the commodity is right now very in much in the bullish territory, respective to the energy spec. And now moving on to the last pack, which is the base metals. Base metal prices will remain range bound to volatile again. The hot commodity for this week looks like copper prices. They are holding the levels right now, and we have seen some smart recovery in the last couple of days after the stupendous fall that we have seen in the last couple of months from 770, 760 odd levels to 700 on the downside, and now the prices are holding the 710, 715 mark. So till the time prices are holding 710, we are expecting the prices to breach higher side resistance and cross 725, 730 easily. So one should be looking at copper prices on the base metals pack as a buying side. So this is about it from me guys on the commodities market front with Ticker TV. This is Jatin Trivedi signing off.